At the University of Georgia, we have this very unique and important legacy, and it emerges from that of Dr. Torrance and Dr. Frazier. That marriage of scholarship and purpose and recognizing the times and the need to speak out against systemic racism and injustices in the way that they did, with the kind of prolific and voluminous advocacy and scholarship, really impacted me. And I'm proud of that. I'm proud to be here at the University of Georgia to continue in that legacy. There's scholarship, there's teacher training, educator preparation, there's advocacy, there's policy work. And for me, it's all centered on equity. And so in coming to the University of Georgia to work with me in the Gifted and Creative Education program, that's what that work will involve. Here, just on a day-to-day basis, there's teaching that I do in the diversity and equity strand, in the Gifted Education Foundation strand. And in diversity and equity, that involves focusing on recruitment and retention. That involves a focus on multicultural gifted education or culturally responsive gifted education. That also involves instruction, where I work with students in preparing, lessons and activities for them to deliver. Because a part of my role as a graduate faculty is to develop professionals who can be competent in building the knowledge, skills, and dispositions in others around equity for underrepresented groups in gifted education. And so that's a little bit of what someone would engage with me in our doctoral program, in our EDS and MED, and even in our non-degree Gifted Education Foundations training. I've been doing this work for a while, and sometimes I look back and I'm like, wow, what have I done? But I do take pride in the fact that, I probably graduated the most doctoral students of color, specifically Black doctoral students, who are doing some really important things. I've also been a part of working with a generation to a generation of current leaders to help them move beyond their blind spots.